Imagine a world without the gentle hum of bees buzzing among flowers on a sunny day. Not only would it be a quieter place, but also one stripped of nature's most essential pollinators, leading to catastrophic collapses in both agriculture and natural ecosystems. Bees are more than just honey producers. They are integral to biodiversity and our own survival. Their decline in recent years illuminates a critical need for greater conservation efforts, a message that demands urgent attention. In this in-depth exploration, we delve into the complex world of bees. From the intricate dances they perform to communicate, to their unexpected intelligence and the pressing threats they face. Every aspect offers insight into their critical role and why they deserve our highest conservation priority. Bees are not just commonplace insects, they are monumental players in our ecosystem. As pollinators, bees contribute to the reproduction of many plants, some of which are vital to human agriculture. The diversity within the world of bees is staggering, with over 20,000 species ranging from the well-known honeybee to the solitary mason bee. Bees play a critical role in not only natural ecosystems but also in cultivated agricultural fields, boosting the production of fruits, nuts, and vegetables. It's estimated that a third of the food humans consume each day relies on pollination mainly by bees. Understanding bees is not just an academic interest, it's a necessity. As we learn to coexist with these creatures, understanding their biology, behavior, and ecology becomes paramount. Bee colonies are astonishing examples of complex social structures with a clear division of labor. The colony is organized around the queen bee, worker bees, and drones, each group playing a specific role that benefits the colony's survival and efficiency. Workers handle foraging, nursing, and colony defense, while the primary role of drones is to mate with a new queen. The queen's function is to lay eggs, sometimes up to 2,000 in a single day. This efficient division of labor allows for highly effective use and conservation of resources. The societal structure of bee colonies has inspired algorithms in computer science, particularly in optimization techniques, demonstrating just how much humans can learn from these tiny, complex creatures. Bees are vital to the health of the planet. Through their pollination work, bees not only support the growth of trees, flowers, and other plants, which serve as food and shelter for creatures, but they are also a bridge in the reproduction of the flora upon which wildlife depends. Their work supports not just natural ecosystems, but also the agricultural enterprises that are essential to human survival. Almonds, avocados, and apples, among others, heavily rely on bees for pollination. This not only ensures the production of these crops, but also enhances their quality and helps maintain genetic diversity in the plant world. Recognizing the all-encompassing role bees play as pollinators extends beyond environmental concern. It's fundamental for global food security. The language of bees is not only fascinating but also highly efficient. They primarily communicate through dances and pheromones. The famed waggle dance of the honeybee, a figure-8 dance performed to indicate the direction and distance to a food source from the hive, is one of the most sophisticated methods of communication in the animal kingdom. This dance allows bees not only to exploit the environment efficiently, but also ensures the survival of the colony by maximizing food intake through precise and strategic communication. Moreover, pheromones play a crucial role in social regulation within the hive, used for activities ranging from indicating the presence of a fertile queen to signaling danger. Recognizing these complex communication patterns helps us appreciate bees as highly evolved species possessing remarkable cooperative and cognitive abilities. Today, bees are facing an unprecedented threat from a combination of factors, including habitat loss, climate change, pesticides, and diseases. The spread of varroa mites and other pathogens, for instance, has been devastating, particularly for honeybee colonies across the globe. These threats are not only causing declines in bee populations, but also reducing their ability to perform their pollination functions effectively. The broader implications for global biodiversity and agricultural practices are severe, spotlighting the need for definitive actions to safeguard these crucial pollinators. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward mitigating them, a task that involves not only scientists and conservationists, but also farmers, policymakers, and the general public. Humans and bees have a long history of interaction, dating back millennia. Today, beekeeping is not only a hobby but a vital element of agricultural systems worldwide. Managed bee colonies are often transported large distances to pollinate crops, a practice which underscores both our dependence on them and the stress this places on bee populations. While beekeeping helps to augment local bee populations, it also introduces challenges such as vulnerability to diseases and the potential for overcrowding. Progressive management practices, therefore, are essential to ensure that beekeeping contributes positively to the conservation of bee populations, rather than detracting from them. Enhanced public awareness and involvement in beekeeping can foster greater appreciation and proactive engagement in bee conservation efforts. Conservation of bees is a multifaceted endeavor that includes habitat restoration, research into diseases and pest management, and policies that mitigate adverse impacts from human activities. Initiatives like planting bee-friendly gardens or reducing pesticide use can make a real difference in preserving and enhancing bee populations. These efforts not only help in the direct preservation of bees, but also enhance public understanding of environmental interdependencies and the importance of collective action in conservation. Continued research and public education are vital, ensuring that conservation strategies evolve as effectively as possible to meet the challenges that bees face. The future of bees, though uncertain, is a beacon of hope, illuminated by ongoing technological and scientific advancements. From high-tech hive management to genetic studies that enhance resistance to diseases, new methodologies are continuously being developed to ensure the survival of bees. Moreover, increased public awareness and involvement offer promising avenues for more sustainable relationships between humans and bees. Continued investment in education, research, and practical conservation actions can build a future where bees continue to thrive, supporting biodiversity and human agriculture. The steps we take today in understanding, protecting, and supporting these buzzing wonders will echo through the landscapes of tomorrow, shaping a healthier, more biodiverse world for future generations.